Hi there. Welcome to VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management, DEM, a centralized solution enabling law enforcement agencies to store, manage, share, and analyze ever-increasing digital evidence collected from documents, images, bodycam, dashcams, CCTV and drones. Before publishing the evidence, uploaded by the contributors, several aspects are considered, the absence of which could conflict with the formal recognition of digital forensics. The shortage of verification could adversely affect the overall acceptance of digital evidence as being legally sound and reliable scientific evidence. To ensure the admissibility of evidence, VIDIZMO DEM provides the evidence review functionality that can be enabled or disabled as per the requirements of the law enforcement agencies. In this video, we will be looking at reviewing published evidence in VIDIZMO DEM. To review evidence uploaded by contributors, please make sure you log into your portal as an administrator, manager, or moderator. To enable the Review tab, expand the Library tab from the portal settings, and check to allow content moderation. Set the count of moderators needed for any evidence to be published from the number of approvals field. Once you're done, click on Update to save changes and the Review tab will be available. To approve or reject evidence, navigate to the Review tab from the menu on the left-hand side on your portal and click to see the pending approval evidence. Select the evidence that needs to be reviewed and click on Approve or Reject as per your decision. The approved evidence will be visible in the relevant case after getting the required number of approvals. To approve or reject bulk evidence, navigate to the Review tab from the menu on the left-hand side on your portal and click to see the pending approval evidence. Select all the evidence that needs to be reviewed and click on Approve or Reject as per your decision. The details of the evidence's pending approval can be seen by clicking on the evidence name. You will be redirected to a new screen where you can view the author's name, evidence type, folder, and update timestamp. Well, that's all for this video. Check out some of our other guides to learn more about VIDIZMO Digital Evidence Management. Stay tuned until next time.